Hey, welcome back to Running Rust. On this episode, the guys install the gasser front end. Stay tuned, it's pretty darn cool.
We're here today is to hopefully get the front suspension and spindle and axle kit all installed in the Falcon. But before we can do that, there's one thing we have to do, and it's tear it completely back apart for the, Hunter, would it be the third time?
The fourth time.
Fourth time we tore it completely apart because we forgot to put the steering onto this bracket, and to unbolt it you have to get behind the rotors. So yeah, we really screwed the pooch on that one. So these have got to bolt on right here, just like that, but they can't do that because we messed it all up. So dude, this is why they kept going flat. Look at these dry rods between the threads.
Love it.
Oh!
You got it. You have a nut. Don't let me forget this is in my pocket.
I'm just a squirrel.
Hey. Oh! The world's a tree. We're all squirrels. I'm just trying to get a nut.
You're gonna catch it. Let's see.
This is not light and it keeps sliding. Dave, can you help?
Hold on. Alright, push it in.
Fuck you!
That's why he makes the big bucks.
Look how much easier that was.
Right?
We're never gonna be able to unthread this.
What do you mean?
I don't know if this is a good idea or not.
Well, just put like 2 bolts or...
No, we only have 2. Total.
This is high risk.
Well, that was easy.
Size. The smaller one. There you go.
This is a important moment.
Is it?
This is gonna be the first time that we see a car with tires. Kind of.
We saw it when we tore it apart.
No. It strips out and gets stuck.
Let's pick up these, go to the other side, we'll pick it up by the tires. And then we can set it on the ground. But oh god.
It's gonna be awkward.
It is awkward.
Maybe
Yeah,
just
just
grab
roll
it
it
from
down.
the bar.
Hold it. That's what it's like when you're off-roading, isn't it?
What do they call that? Like independent suspension or something?
What's this? This is an independent suspension?
Yeah, but like when it was doing that?
I don't.
Which way? Right and left. Which one's right?
Here, wait.
This is the left side.
So this would go like this,
Yeah.
and then these would be facing the back. So this needs to be on the
Yeah. Okay, so
passenger side.
just kind of hold. No.
Here, yeah, and then
You sure?
reverse bank.
Wait, I thought you said it's like this.
Just like that, yeah.
The calipers need to be in the front, right?
No, calipers are in the back, on the back side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then this is in the front. Jeez. Here, wait. I'm gonna... Oh, God. Oh, no. There we go. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Hey, it fits.
Man, the car's basically done.
Wow, there we go.
That's a whole front end. All right. Oh, I see what you're talking. Okay, it's got 2 nuts. Okay.
Like me.
Well, ish. 1.5. talking about?
Yeah, you want to hold that thing?
Yeah.
Feel like it's about that.
Okay, so we've discovered that we need to raise the height of the car a little more, and so we went to the back of the yard to find some cinder blocks.
Don't die.
I got caught by a vine.
Mother Nature telling me you're doing too much.
I'm doing too much.
Ricky's random property garbage paid off. Don't trip.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Alright, so we found that the front suspension is too tall for how the car's jacked up now, but we don't have enough tall enough jack. We don't have tall enough jack stands. So we found a bunch of cinder blocks behind the garage. So we're gonna start doing stuff real sketchy like.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of room.
I mean,
Oh, careful.
I could give you that much.
Ready? Don't hurt your back. There you go. Wow. You get that on video?
Heck yeah, man. Wait a minute.
The front end isn't very heavy. I think me and you could have lifted it.
Is that tall enough? No.
Take a look at the, yes, it is.
Alright. Hunter, turn it up. We have mechanical advantage. It's right on the edges. So that's kind of perfect, right?
Yeah.
That's what you want it to be, right on the edges.
Sure. I like to live on the edge.
What are you doing?
Good thing OSHA's not here.
Sketch left.
Yeah.
All of the violations.
So we need another cinder block?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if I can find one.
Will it hold? Close your eyes.
Ta-da!
Success.
Just don't breathe on it.
You should crawl out from it.
Yeah, I was thinking I probably shouldn't climb out.
No.
We're gonna go under.
Going down for the count.
Don't do anything that shifts the weight weird. Start going anywhere.
Maybe put some more heat on it.
I don't think. Oh, look at you! Look at
that ain't gonna
you!
work.
It'll work for a second.
No, it's just gonna go down between the wood.
No, it's working.
Is it?
Yeah.
God, you're so fucking smart.
You're smart.
Ooh.
Oh god.
You're gonna go home and tell Caroline.
washers?
Call me a greasy boy.
There's no washers. They're locking nuts. Wait. Before we do this,
Why is this one?
is the
locking?
shackle supposed to go in the front or the back?
Oh, dude.
We could look it up.
Well, I guess it doesn't matter because we can just use this spring on that side, or it doesn't matter.
Why is it not?
Wind up.
No.
Wind up. Fuck. That's good.
Oh yeah. T-shirt time.
T-shirt time. In 100.
You want to know why that went in so easily? Because it was a greasy boy.
Greasy boy. That's gonna be our new available merch. Greasy boy.
Where?
You have to
Like
go.
the end of the axle?
Yeah. 40. Let's call it 44 and 3/4.
Okay.
So write
we
those
need
two
to center
numbers down.
between that.
Write those two numbers down.
What I was saying, because you measured The edge of this? Right. No, I meant like, so the 44 is here.
How goes the war, Ricky?
I'd say it's pretty close too.
What's that?
I said, how goes the war?
Oh. No, might have lost the battle last night. What? The war is not over.
Yeah, but you don't want to overtime it.